Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to set up OPPO A5m without a Google account. Let's begin! So, we are freshly after our setup, so let's quickly speedrun through the process of adding Google account. So let's hit OK, let's select our language, let's select our region very quick. Let's agree to legal information. We will skip setting up using another device. Though we won't really skip Wi-Fi, though as you can see you could do it, and potentially it could be a way for you to skip a Google account entirely. But I think that's a little bit of cheating, so let's connect to our Wi-Fi now. Alright, let's hit OK. And now we are connected. Let's hit next. And now our phone is getting ready, and this process may take up a few minutes. So I will now pause the recording and we will wait. And after a few minutes our phone got ready. We will skip copying apps and data. Though of course you can do those. And now if you are really good at checking the font out, you may recognize this as something Google based. And in any moment now, we have the ability to input our Google account. So let's just don't do that. Let's hit skip. And of course our Google will basically beg us to, no, don't do it, please don't skip our account. But of course you are watching the tutorial for a reason. Let's hit skip once again. And now we are skipping all the way through unlock method. So let's go with password, for example. Though, to be honest, it doesn't really matter in case of our tutorial, so let's just skip this as well. So let's go with later. Now we have Google services. It's really is fitting for this tutorial to disable everything. And then hit accept. Now we want to disable all the following apps, so we won't get this atrocious load of bloatware. Let's hit OK. And now our phone is getting ready once again. So once again I will pause the recording. Or I won't. Alright. So now we have some recommended services that are not Google rated, but more about OPPO related. I will disable the AI service machine, the context aware network service, the lock screen magazine, and these two are probably good enough. I can leave them. So let's hit agree. I will go with done for the gestures, and let's hit get started. And as you can see in any moment now, we can freely move our phone without having a Google account. Of course, we will struggle when it comes to, for example, using Play Store, since this will take us to the sign-in, so we can't really use Play Store without a Google account. And we can't use few other things that are Google based, but it is to be expected. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.